Hi, I'm Golly from the Weber Kettle Club, and today we're going to cook baked beans and a tangy barbecue sauce to make an awesome side to go along with any other of your barbecue dishes. So to get started, we're going to make our tangy barbecue sauce. To start off with, we'll heat some oil in a small saucepan over low heat, starting with half a brown onion diced, 1 clove of garlic crushed, 1 jalapeno cored, seeded and diced, and cook until softened. This should take about 5 minutes. And then stir in the remaining sauce ingredients: 1 cup of tomato sauce, 3 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, half a cup of whiskey, 2 tablespoons of American style mustard, 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, 1 cup of water, 1 teaspoon of dry mustard powder, half a teaspoon of Tabasco sauce, 2 tablespoons of molasses, half a teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper, and salt to taste. Once the sauce is cooled, we'll put it in a blender. We're going to give it a quick blitz. Next up is the easy part. Next, we're going to place a can of beans, a cup of the sauce that we just made, a cup of bacon, and a cup of brisket, and a cup of water, all together into a pan. Now that goes into the SmokeFire at 225 degrees Fahrenheit for about 3 hours. So it's been 3 hours. Let's go and check these beans out. They look bang on. Let's get them off and serve them up. Beans are great as a side with your favourite barbecue, or you can have them as an appetiser. Come and get it, boys.